Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel at Softtrix. We specialize in delivering world-class digital marketing solutions, helping businesses drive success online. Today, we are diving into a comprehensive case study where we have helped a service-based business optimize their Google AdWords campaign for better results. This business specializes in window tinting for vehicles, residential and the commercial properties, and they came to us struggling with the high CPC rates and low conversion rate from their ads. So let's break down how we have optimized their campaign and reduced their ad spend and delivered fantastic results. As this client was starting fresh with Google AdWords, we have worked on the building everything from the ground up to create a solid foundation for the future growth. We began by setting up the Google AdWords campaign with the primary goal of increasing the phone calls and driving the high quality leads. We made sure the campaigns were tailored specifically for their target audience, focusing on the most profitable and the relevant services. Campaign setup and the optimization. To begin, we created search campaigns with the focus on high converting keywords. These keywords were carefully selected based on the search volume, competition and the user intent to maximize the likelihood of generating the qualified leads. We chose appropriate keyword match type to control how ads would be triggered, ensuring they reached the right audience. This allowed us to balance the need for broad visibility while maintaining relevance to the user's search intent. We also implemented the negative keywords to exclude the irrelevant searches. This tactic ensured that the ads would not show for the queries unrelated to the client's services, helping us prevent the wasted ad spend on the low converting traffic. By regularly optimizing the negative keyword list, we kept the campaign focus on the high quality clicks. We have created and tested multiple ad creatives to ensure that the messaging resonated with the audience. Different versions of the ad copy were tested along with the call-only ads to prioritize the phone calls. We fine-tuned the call-only ads to align with the client's goal of increasing the search volume. Testing these ad variations allowed us to pinpoint the best performing versions and generated the most qualified leads. This testing strategy was essential for increasing the engagement and ensuring that the ads deliver the highest return on investment. We also used the ad extension to increase the visibility of the ads. This included the site links, call extension and the location extensions, which provided users with more ways to interact with the business. This tactic was instrumental in improving the user experience and in driving more clicks. Google Analytics and the tracking setup. Next, we have integrated the Google Analytics 4 and the Google Tag Manager to track the user behavior, conversions and interactions with the website. Setting up the GA4 allowed us to measure the complete customer journey and understanding the key metrics such as session duration, pages viewed and the specific actions taken. This data was essential in refining the campaign strategies and optimizing the ad spend to improve the performance over time. Remarketing strategy. In addition to the search campaign, we also launched the display remarketing campaigns. These campaigns allowed us to target the users who had previously visited the website but did not convert. Our in-house team created the compelling images and videos to showcase the client's products and the services, enhancing the remarketing ads appeal. These visually engaging ads helped to recapture the attention of potential customers, encouraging them to return and complete the conversion process. Ongoing campaign optimization. We kept a close eye on the performance and continuously made adjustments. We have monitored the key metrics such as the CTR, conversion rate and the cost per conversion. As part of the optimization process, we have adjusted the targeting to focus on high performing regions and the devices, making sure the ads were shown to users who were most likely to convert. We also fine-tuned the bidding strategy by using the smart bidding, allowing us to automatically adjust bids to maximize the conversion and actually reduce the cost. So now in terms of the results, over the course of the campaign, we have generated around 164 phone calls with the CPA of just 14.43. The clients saw a consistent increase in high quality leads as the conversion rate steadily improved thanks to the ongoing optimizations. By focusing on the most relevant keyword, refining the ad creatives and continuously analyzing the user data, we were able to reduce the overall cost per click and maximize the budget effectiveness. Additionally, we have provided the client with the detailed weekly and the monthly reports. These reports included the performance breakdown, key metrics and insights into the success of the campaign. The transparent reporting ensured that the client could track the progress and understand the return on their investment. So now in terms of the conclusion, this case study highlights the importance of a comprehensive data-driven approach to the Google AdWords campaign. Through the keyword research, smart bidding strategy, targeted ad display, remarketing and the detailed campaign tracking, we were able to deliver the outstanding results for the client. By working closely with the client and continually refining the campaign, we have helped them achieve their goals by reducing the cost and improve the performance. So if you have any campaigns running in the similar niche, you can contact us for the free audit. There is a phone number on the top right corner. You can contact us on WhatsApp. We will be able to look at your PPC campaign and then we can let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. But on the other side of things, if you do not have any campaigns running, then don't worry about it. We can still get you the plan of action. You can just share with us some basic information like the website URL, the monthly budget and the location targeting. We can do the research and then we can get back with the plan of action on what you can do to bring your business online to the next level. Please like, share and subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching the video.